Hi everybody, how's it going? Before I begin the video, let me apologize to Amos at Brener Construction for mistaking a voice over IP bug for a troll. I'm actually disappointed because that brought a real smile to my face yesterday. As I mentioned in one of the pinned comments of the video when I replied, I thought this was absolutely hysterical. I laughed. I was feeling sad, kind of down on myself after the recent experience, and that video, that thing that occurred was exactly what I needed to just put a smile on my face and make me laugh. If you listen to that phone call, you'll hear I'm not mad, I'm not agitated, I'm not shaking my fist. I was genuinely happy and excited at the fact that someone put that effort in to make a joke. I thought that, because this has been happening for a while now, especially with Paul on the weekends, where we get these strange automated looping recording phone calls, and it's been this prank thing that's been happening for a while, for a few months now, and I thought that this may be some sort of continuation of that, but it wasn't. And the way I listened to it, none of the stuff was really specific. I was never mentioned by name. Company name was never mentioned. And I started to really think to myself, this was a Lenny. This was like a Lenny version 2 or something. And it wasn't. And again, I kind of wish it was, because it was done so masterfully that it really did make me smile. The fact that it's not a troll just kind of actually makes me a little sad now. But the thing is, when I did my video, I thought that I portrayed it as I found this funny. I didn't think that it had came off to people as I'm mad at this person, I'm angry at this person. So it never occurred to me that they were going to get review bombed with 1 stars. If anything, I didn't think people were going to review bomb, but I thought if they would, they'd say, good job trolling Lewis, or good job making Lewis laugh. Because that's what happened. When I look back at this, it actually did make me laugh. And it did bring a little bit of a smile to my face during a time when it was difficult to smile. I get a lot of strange trolls via email. I get a lot of people showing up with trolls or mailing in trolls to the store. Some of them are good, some of them are bad, but this one was just genuinely amazing and hysterical. And I interpreted it as something that was worth sharing, because I thought that this was a well thought out quality troll, not from someone that wanted to hurt or harm me, but from someone that wanted to make me laugh. And that was clearly a misinterpretation of the situation. Now, if you are one of the individuals that left some sort of phony 1 star of any kind, remove it. I have fake 1 stars on my business on a regular basis. I have one fake 1 star I'm never going to forget on Yelp, where this guy says, we beat him up, we took his computer, we smashed it after breaking it and told him to get the F out, and he's got a funny looking face avatar, and I reported it, others reported it, and Yelp said, this looks real, we're keeping it up. This is lame. These platforms fundamentally have no capability or just no inclination to care whether or not something is fake or real, even when it's obviously fake. Reporting does virtually nothing. They rely, sadly, mostly on the honor system, and this is very important to them. And this is very important to me, and I'm sure it's very important to Mr. Brener, who, if everything there is correct, actually does a good job. If you left a fake review because of a video that I posted of what I thought to be a funny troll, please remove it. It shouldn't be there. It's not a personal experience, and it's just, it's bad. And again, my apologies for the fact that this occurred. It's not what you intended. It's not your intentions that matter. It's outcomes. And here the outcome is that people actually thought that I was aggravated, and they posted a 1 star to him. And I apologize for that outcome.